Next example. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGH, such that D and H lie on the sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that here given 3 parts. Okay. First, let's the triangles ABC and triangle FEG. This triangle ABC and this is triangle FEG. Here given these two triangles are similar. Okay. And CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF. So CD. CD is the bisector of angle C and GH is the bisector of angle G. Okay. Here D lie on AB and H lie on FE. Okay. Given condition, triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Okay. If two triangles are similar, then the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in same ratio. Okay. Here angle A equal to angle F, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle G. Okay. See, here this is angle 1 and this angle is angle 2. Okay. This is angle 3 and here angle is angle 4. Okay. Here angle C equal to angle G. Okay. Suppose half of the angle C equal to half angle of angle G. It means angle 1 equal to angle 3 and in same way angle 2 equal to angle 4. Here 1 and 2 are the half of the angles of angle C. Here 3 and 4 are the half of the angles of angle G. Okay. Therefore 1 equal to angle 1 equal to angle 3 and angle 2 equal to angle 4. Okay. Because CD and GH are bisectors of angle C and angle G respectively. Okay. See first question. Here we have to prove CD by GH equal to AC by FG. Okay. First one. CD by GH equal to AC by FG. Okay. See here this is one triangle ACD. Okay. Consider triangle ACD and triangle FGH. Okay. We know angle A equal to angle F. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. angle 1 equal to angle F. Angle 1 equal to angle F. Next, angle 2 equal to angle 4. Angle 2 equal to angle 4. Okay, this is fourth one, this is fifth. Okay. Here angle 2 equal to angle 4 from 5. Okay, see, this is angle, this is angle. Here using angle similarity criteria. Here therefore ACD is similar to triangle FGH. Okay, here using angle similarity criteria, corresponding angles are equal, so these two triangles are similar. Okay, we know two triangles are similar, then corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in same ratio. Okay, here AC by FG equal to CD by GH, which is equal to AD by FG. Okay, AC by FG equal to CD by GH, which is equal to DA by EH. Sorry, DA by FH. Okay, see, we have to prove CD by GH. CD by GH equal to AC by FG. Okay, second part, we have to prove triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Okay, consider triangles DCB and triangle HGE. Okay, here angle B equal to angle E. Okay, angle B equal to angle E. Next, angle 1 equal to angle 3. Okay, angle 1 equal to angle 3 from 4. Okay, so here using AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. Okay, next, third example, triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Okay, here we have already proved these two triangles are similar. Okay, triangle. Okay, here using angle 2 equal to angle 4 and angle A equal to angle F. Okay, based on the angle similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar.